In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage pop-ups on the Brave browser. Whether you're frustrated with constant interruptions or want to ensure you don't miss important pop-ups, understanding how to enable or disable this feature is crucial. So, let's dive in and take control of those pop-ups together. First, what we need to do is open up the Brave browser on your computer. If you're already using it, great. If not, go ahead and get it up on your screen. Once you've got Brave open, you'll want to look towards the top right corner. Here, you should see an icon that looks like three horizontal lines or sometimes three dots. This is commonly known as the menu, and it's your gateway to a variety of settings. Click on this menu button, and from the drop-down options that appear, select Settings. It's from this Settings menu that you can adjust various aspects of your browser experience. On the left side of the Settings page, there's a sidebar that lists different categories. Out of these categories, go ahead and click on Privacy and Security. This section is where you oversee everything related to your online safety and how your browser interacts with various sites. Within the Privacy and Security settings, you'll want to focus on Site and Shields settings. This area is essentially your control hub for how Brave deals with individual sites, giving you the power to customize your browsing environment to your preferences. Now, as you scroll through, you'll come across the Content section. Within this section, you should find an option labeled Pop-ups and Redirects. Clicking on this option will take you to a page where you can manage how Brave handles pop-ups. If you're looking to disable the pop-up blocker, meaning you want to allow pop-ups and redirects from websites, you'll need to select the option that says Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. This is useful for sites that require pop-ups to function properly, such as certain e-commerce platforms or services. Conversely, if your goal is to block pop-ups, say, to prevent annoying ads from popping up unexpectedly, you'll want to choose Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Blocking pop-ups can significantly enhance your browsing experience by reducing distractions and potential security risks. Now, if you have specific sites in mind where you need different behavior, you have the option to add exceptions. On the same pop-ups and redirects screen, you'll see options labeled Allow and Block. By clicking Add under either, you can specify particular websites that require exceptions to your general settings. This is a fantastic way to customize your browsing experience even further, ensuring that trusted sites behave just the way you want them to. That wraps up today's guide on managing pop-ups in Brave. You've now got the knowledge to tailor this aspect of your web browsing just the way you like it. Thanks for joining in. Thanks.